Hey DIYers, I'm Mark Montano, and today I am going to show you how to make the easiest paper beads out of phone books. You could also use newspaper, but I love phone books. Now don't forget to thumbs up if you like this video, and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project, or you just want to say hi. Are you ready? Let's make some paper beads. Americana multi-surface satins come in a ton of different colors. So pick your favorites, and don't forget to make your mark with DecoArt. I'll see you next week.